Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular Sudoku, a Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, September the 22nd, 2021. We have here a Killer Sudoku. To Sudoku or not to Sudoku? Yes, that's the question, and this will be a number 3431. 3431. Alright, so let's get started, and we have two given numbers. 5, and my first strategy is to look for big squares with only one sharing box. I see here one sharing box. This big square, 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 one sharing box. Here also big square with one sharing box. Alright, so and what you also need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45, and the total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, well, I see here this big square 16. If I count all these four numbers, 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 6 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. 8 plus 37 is 45, of course. In this box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1. Alright, here we have a column. If I count all these numbers, then I will know what number this is. One sharing box. So double 8 is 16, plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In this triple box, we have the 4 and a 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, let's go to this big square. One sharing box. So 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay. Then, in this big square, 13 plus 13 is 26. Plus 10 is 36. 45 minus 36 is a 9. These two boxes together should be a 9. In this triple box of 13, this box should be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay. How about these numbers? Okay. 10. Wait. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 11. Those two boxes should be 11. Is equal to 45. So in this triple box of 18, this box should be a 7. 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. Okay, then the next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, let me mark those. Two numbers. A box of 3. 2 plus 1. Only one combination. Then. How about the box of 4? 3 plus 1. The box of 3. 2 plus 1. Well, we have a 1 here. Here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. Okay. Box of 16. 9 plus 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. We go back to this big square. One of the missing number here in this big square is the number 6. We see a 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. And I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6. Cannot place in the box of a 6 in the box of 6. Because then the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. One of the rules. So the 6 should be in a box of 14. The combination will be 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8. Oh, 8. Okay. I overlooked this one. The box of 17. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Okay. Then in this big square, one sharing box. So if I count all these numbers, I know what number this will be. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 11 and 12. 11 and 12 is 23. 23 plus 13 is 36. 36, that means 35 minus 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 12, the combination will be 9 plus 3. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 7. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3. Okay. I overlooked this one. The box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Okay. And one box left. The box of 9. Two numbers are left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Here also 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be in the box of 11. The combination will be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. And the other pair in this big square, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. That means here we have a double 5 here in this row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Okay. The 2 is missing here. In this row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. Yeah. The 8 is missing in this row. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course. Otherwise, 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 8 should be here, and the 2 is also missing in this row. The 2 should be there. The combination here in the box of 8 should be 2 plus 6. Here the combination, one box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. Yeah, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, of course, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is the number 9. So the 1 should be in the box of 6. The 1 should be here, and the combination will be 1 plus 5. Alright. So now we have 2 boxes left, the box of 6 and the box of 12. One of the missing number is 2. I cannot place the 2, of course, in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is the number 9. So the 2 should be in the box of 6. The combination will be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. The other box should be the numbers 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And in this column, we have 1 sharing box, I believe. Yes. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this is. So we have the 9. 12 plus 13 is 25. 25 plus 9 is 36. No. 34. 34 plus 10 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is 1. Okay. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Correct. So 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those. So now we have 2 boxes left. Box of 9, box of 13. One of the missing number is a 3. And I cannot place the 3 in a box of 13, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the 3 should be in one of those 2 boxes. The 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and 6, let me mark those. And the other pair in this big square should be the numbers. 4 is missing, yeah. 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. Okay. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 1 plus 5. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be in the box of 8. The combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers, 2 is missing, yeah. 2 is missing, 1, 2, yes. The combination will be 2 plus 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 can even... Oh, well, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. Now. We have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Okay. 4. Let me see. 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 9 plus 5. Let me mark those. Okay. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and this box should be 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. In a box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. Here, in a box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. We have a 6 now over there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here in the box of 8, the combination will be 2 plus 6. Here in the box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8. Finish in 70 minutes. Wow. Yeah, I'm surprised because for a Killer Sudoku, usual I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, so I'm well pleased with the time. It's 70 minutes, and yeah, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Sudoku mix, for the binary, for the tectonic. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. I will continue later on with the other 3 puzzles in the evening. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.